Beautiful day here at SSR. Not too hot, nice sunshine, good cup of coffee. It's a lovely day, or at least it was. This Bronco only means one thing. Jonathan Brothers is here. Mr. Metra himself. Let's go see where he's at.
Hey!
Oh God, this guy.
What's going on?
Show me all that junk. Hey, JB just fresh out of high school. He's in a co-op program, works for Metra. He's got his backpack with him and everything,
That's
y'all.
right. We're gonna go exploring today, baby.
Let's go look at the Gladiator.
Gladiator. And you're glad hating me, dude. 2023 Bronco.
23 Bronco. So what all did you do to it? It's pretty tricked out.
Yeah, we're showcasing some of our new light bars, the Blackout series. These are the chasing ones. These are actually our brackets that hold up to 3 cubes or up to a 9-inch bar.
It's pretty sweet.
Got our nice little slimline Blackout series here.
Oh, nice.
Now, if the truck comes with this factory style modular bumper, we've got all the brackets. So this one will hold up to a 42-inch light bar on it.
That's a big thing. A lot of these light bar guys aren't making brackets, and if they are, some of them don't even work.
Yeah, got some for the roof too. So
Very nice.
this one's kind of, pick and choose whatever you want to put on there. With the cubes, the Blackout series cubes. And then on the pillars, these are EL lights, the Heist HE EL4. So just a bigger cube. Got our 17-inch chasing wheel lights. This one actually has an inner and an outer strip. So as you can see, it's daytime and they're pretty visible. Up to 170 different patterns.
Damn. I see we got a nice little camera right now. That's pretty cool.
Oh yeah, baby. That is the iBeam TV LVM9. It's a 1080p camera. Right now it's DVRing us, so don't do anything crazy.
Oh, sweet.
I've got the full mirror. It's a full 9-inch. It's live streaming. Let me go back there.
Uh-oh. Oh, God. How pathetic. This is a grown-ass man, y'all.
View the front camera.
Switching the front.
Ooh, you got the front. I'll run around if you want. I'll do a little dance.
I mean, I do like a good old dance.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Apparently there's a little audio. Whoa. Hi.
Oh, yeah. So we've got our...
Dude, what in the world?
LIBT 100 Slim. So it's 100 amp hours, 2,000 watts. Cool thing about this one, you've got a nice little capacity meter. So I've got a power inverter running, whatever I need at the shows. This runs everything while we're at the shows, and it'll tell me if the battery percentage is down. Click this button, show you your voltage. 14.5 right now, baby. We're gonna go do some SPL.
Nice. Dude, look how skinny that is. Dude, there's another one?
Double trouble.
Very nice. You definitely got some speakers in here. Cool.
Got all our Infinities.
I will say I'm very disappointed you don't have subs.
Hey, man. It's only a matter of
Don't
time.
say amen. There's no amen on no subs.
So these are actually our Powersports cans. So we make an 8-inch can and we make a 6.5-inch can. So you can put whatever speaker you want. We have a little partnership with Harman Kardon. We do a lot of motorcycle packages with them. So we decided to put Harman Infinity speakers in here. So
nice.
Plus the blue matches the blue accents on the
I like the little blue on blue.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Let's get one more look at this Gladiator.
It's a Bronco.
Any of you dealers out there that need to pick up the hottest accessory line out there, think of Metra. Think of all the different lines that Metra has, from all their lights, ammo antennas, wiring kits, harnesses, integration modules, all kinds of stuff. Wheel lights. Metra has how many SKUs? You just sent me a list the other day that says how many SKUs Metra has. How many is it total?
It's total actually, with the new release of 200 new products at SEMA, 17,983. That's right.
And I've got to key all those one by one into a stupid website here pretty soon.
Hey guys, I stole Paul's phone. Not sure what he's up to right now. Hey man, I got you on the DVR, dude. Paul left his phone in the car. What a dumbass.
Goddamn phone. Dude, you have issues, man.
Left it in the car. What do you expect?
Never trust Metra.
SSR Distributors.